Yeah, hello. I'm outside and I'm going to do this unboxing from outside. Okay. So this is Bargain Bead Box and this is the Cozy Chrysanthemums, and it just tells you what you get here and they're all numbered. I'm in Australia. I think I paid 12 US shipping, which is not bad. So let's get into this. Okay. I'm just going to pick them random. I'm not going to go where everyone goes on the list. Okay. So this is... Oh no. They're not numbered. 8mm fossil coral round beads. Oh, okay. Lucky it says on there. So these are 8mm fossil coral round beads. That's what I like about this bead box company. They're all real gems. Oh my gosh. And that's why I'm outside, because you can only see the true brilliance of gems when you're outside. Like, are you seeing this? Like, how beautiful is that? Wow. So the next one is 20 by 17mm enameled chrysanthemum pendants, 2 pieces. Oh wow. Oh, these are cute. Very pretty. Oh, on a bracelet as a charm, you know. Very pretty. It's raining outside. I don't know if you can hear the raindrops. I'll show you my backyard. It's a bit of a mess, but they're my trees. I was trying to dry out the grass with the blankets, but it's my massive yucca. I don't know if you can see my massive yucca and my bed of paradise. There's my cat. A big fig tree over there. Anyway, alright, let's get back to it. Geez, I haven't done a video in a long time. 8 by 8mm faceted glass rondelle beads in dark red. Very pretty. Sparkly. But I only like things that are natural from the ground, crystals. I don't know, how can you tell whether something's glass or real from the ground crystal? I don't know. If everyone knows, I'd love to know. Oh, Mucolite. 8mm Mucolite, 7.5 inches. Love Mucolite. Beautiful. Love all the different yellows, purples, greys, reds, browns, creams. All these different kind of earthy colours combined. And then we've got a 4 by 3mm faceted quartz rondelle beads. So these are real gems, quartz faceted. Oh, awesome. Love my little gems. Well, they must be heat treated, but that's alright. Still quartz. Unless it's a natural yellow quartz. It's still pretty. Oh, we got some Mucolite in matte round beads, 8mm. Oh, when are we going to see 10mm? Like, what's with all the 8mm? Oh wow, these look so beautiful in that. So these are the ones in without matte and with matte. And you know what? No, that's 6mm. It says 8mm on here, but these are a lot smaller. These must be 6mm. These are definitely, I don't know if that says 6 or 8. What are you seeing there? My cat's whiskers. My little kitty. Hi, Tigress. It's Tigress. Yes. Oh, 8mm crackle agate round beads, dyed and heated. Oh, I love orange. It's my favourite colour. I love orange agate beads. So this is like a crackle agate, and it's heated and coloured and treated. That's cool. It's still gorgeous. It's still real agate. Very pretty. Left it. Oh, now we got some 9mm half matte crystal faceted round beads in slate peacock 8-inch. Oh, so are these like, does that mean crystal faceted? So whatever says crystal faceted is natural from the ground, is that right? They feel very light. It feels more man-made than real gems from, you know. But they're still pretty. But yeah, I'm only interested in working with real gems, really. But, I'm just confused about the crystals. Like, what's crystals, and is it man-made and all that. (13 by 8mm nickel-free brass magnetic clasp, 2-piece. Oh, so you get two magnetic clasps, and they come apart like this. See? Oh no, these are shit. Look at that. It's already come unglued. See what I mean? It's come unglued. Oh, fucking shit. That looked fucking cheap. See, this one's working, but for how long? The other one just... Um, 4mm crystal faceted bicone beads in lavender steel, 12 inches. They're not very shiny. Maybe it's just the colour. And 30 by millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass chrysanthemum link. 2-piece. Oh, adding carat plated. You still have to be careful not to get these wet. Just thinking we could even make these, you know what I mean? With twisting our wires and stuff like that. Very pretty. Pretty earrings. I'm saying earrings. Necklaces maybe. Bracelets. .33mm Mucolite and brass pendant. Ooh, so everyone's has been a bit different. Some people got Mucolite, some people got carnelian. I'll be honest with you, carnelian is one of my favourite stones. But, you know, I'm happy with this. This is really beautiful. Look at all the different patterns and stuff. All up for this box, I end up paying shipping and everything 55 Australian dollars. That's a lot better than paying 126 Australian dollars for the Jesse James bead box. So I cancelled the Jesse James bead box to get this instead. And I'm much happier with bargain bead box as compared to Jesse James beads, because lately I find myself the last year or so I've been getting into gems and crystals a lot, and I find Jesse James beads doesn't really have any natural gemstones, whereas bargain bead box does. That's what attracts me to them. And also their shipping is ridiculous. Bargain bead box can ship it for half the price that Jesse James beads can. And they're about the same weight, so yeah. Okay, so these are called 5x3mm plated hematite man-made. So hematite is from the ground, but this is a man-made one. I could tell it didn't look too real. Flower rondelles in matte gold, yeah. Not really impressed it's not real, but there are a lot of other lovely real things in here. The 2 matte strands of mucolite. Oh, the fossil coral is beautiful. Fossil coral. Also the faceted quartz rondelles are real. Also these, even though they've been heat treated, these are agate, crackle agate. Also crystal faceted, not sure about that, but that's definitely real. The mucolite. Mukite. I'm confused. I thought it was called mucolite. Oh, it's not mucolite. Mukite. Is it called mucolite or mukite? Oh, it's so see, some people call it mukite. Yeah, but I really like how mine have got those lines through them, the brown kind of lines. So pretty. What else have I got? Oh wow, look at these. I mean, if you're in Australia, guys, and you're looking for a good subscription box, I really recommend this. I've gotten a few in the past, and this is the best value. So these are 21 by 21 by 24 millimeter, 18 karat gold plated pewter wreath links, 4 pieces. Wow. Make nice little Christmas earrings, especially, look, even though they're not real, they're very Christmassy, unless I'll use no, I'll have to use Merkite. I'll just go for the more ready in the Merkites. Yeah, it's pretty close to being red, see. Real pretty. Yeah, I'll make some pretty Christmas earrings with those and maybe gift them to my neighbour next door. Make some for her. And we got some brass 5 by 4 millimeter brass curb chain. Oh, these might come in handy for sure. That's 1 meter, which is 10 centimeters more than a yard. 100 centimeters is 1 meter and 90 centimeters is a yard. There you go. We use centimeters in Australia. You use inches in America. And lastly, 8. Hey! Hey! Hey, sweetie! Hey, baby! Hello! Hi, baby! Hello! Oh, sorry, I thought that was my bird. I've been looking after this pet bird, little brown butcher bird, in my craft room window upstairs. Up there. And he flew out and he actually came back. He jumped on my shoulder. Yes. Thanks, huh? If anyone's in Melbourne, Australia, and is interested in kittens, I've got some kittens. Or I can post it internationally. Nope. No posting me. Our customs are quite strict. 15 by 13 millimeter enameled autumn wreath charms. These will look, I know you are thinking earrings, but I'm thinking I like my little bracelets with the charms. You know, the little charms. So I'm thinking of putting some nice Merkite on a stretch bracelet with maybe one of these and one of these. You know, that was my bird. Hey, Lovelace! Lovelace! I heard you, buddy. Yeah, so that's everything. Yeah, it's a pretty mix. Love the colours. Yeah. That would even look nice hanging off. I want to do like a real wraparound chunky charm with, I think I might use my memory. I've got memory. I haven't tried it yet, but I bought it. So maybe I might make a necklace using all the natural beads. I might use the red ones. They're pretty, even though they're not real. Yeah, I'll try use as many things from here as I can, even though they're not, some of them are man-made, they're still pretty, and we'll add to it. Yeah, very happy with this, and I definitely will promote this to any Aussies. Bye.